Hey guys, it's your girl Yolanda Monique. I hear this banging on the door, and apparently the mail person delivered my Boxycharm and it knocked over one of my fall decorations. So it hasn't even been cracked open because of the seal. So I thought, let's just do this now. I will tell you that this is super early because last month's September's box came 3 days ago, and I felt like so many people had seen the September Boxycharm box that I wasn't going to upload it. Let's just do the October. As always, it always says hello charmers. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. I knew that I was watching sneak peeks of it. So here's the card. I'm not going to read it. I'm not going to look. I'm not. Right off the box, right off the bat, I see Luxie brushes, and I want to let you guys know I already have several of these brushes. Hold on. Me and Luxie have gotten to know each other quite well because of Boxycharm. During the last major pop-up, I think it was pop-up, I purchased this. This is a $150 value, and I got it for $20. So I didn't think that they were going to put the brushes in my box, but it is their blue set. So I'm not knocking it because almost all of my brushes I've gotten, predominantly most of my brushes I've gotten from my subscription boxes, either when I was with Etsy or, oops, that didn't go in right, but I'll fix it later. Either with Etsy or Boxycharm or the other 4 subscriptions that I've had. I love that it's in a plastic bag. This is kind of cute if you wanted to put it in your purse to travel with you. It's rose gold. Oh, this is so cute. And it comes with 5 of their brushes. So I guess I'll have a second copy of these. You can never have too many eyeshadow brushes. I don't know about the spoolie. Yeah, I can tell you if they're like the brushes from my canister set, they are of really good quality. In fact, I can almost say it because every Luxie brush that I've gotten has been of amazing quality. Here they are. It has a rose gold funnel, and it's a beautiful, I want to say a teal blue. Absolutely love it. Let's see what they say about this. Luxie Wonderlust set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shadow brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, large shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for a glam to go look. MSRP is $40. So yes, we are starting this off right. I'm loving the first product that I see in here. The next thing I see is the item that I selected, and this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Conditioner. And I was just, it's so funny. Literally, I was just telling myself for next month, don't pick don't buy any concealers because I've got way too many concealers. And then this comes in. I have heard that this does tend to oxidize a little deeper than your shade, so we will test that out. So this is what it looks like. I chose 25 Dark. It's a doe foot applicator. So it's a doe foot. It is darker than I thought it would be. I had actually tried to pick one that was actually my skin tone. So this was actually darker than me. So we'll see if this oxidizes. The Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It contains dark under eye circles, it conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. MSRP is $24. I still like it because if it's dark, I can always mix it with one of my foundations that's way too light, and then, you know, get my tone. I am a fan of Beauty Bakery, and yes, their stuff is super, super cute. I didn't have an eyeshadow palette, and it's so funny. I was actually going to make a Beauty Bakery purchase for my birthday for next month because there are a few things that they've added to their collection that I want. So this is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed. It is a magnetic closure. It is a cardboard box, but I love those. I'm okay with that. So let me see if you can see that. Look at the packaging. Oh, it's gorgeous. Doesn't have a mirror, but look at those shades. They look gorgeous. Definitely on the cool tone side. I definitely will give this a try. I can see you using this for work. Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette is a delightful morning melody of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. MSRP is $38. So definitely will try this. Loving my box so far. Some people boxes I saw and they weren't thrilled with it. I'm happy. Last two things. The next one is, this is going to be interesting. This is Symbiosis London Hyaluronic Acid plus Purulin Tightens and Replenishes Eye Mask. Kind of on the small side, but when it deals with your eyes, you don't really have to have a lot. So I have no clue what this is. The Symbos London Tightening and Replenishing Eye Mask, a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask, eye cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. Wait a minute, if it's gonna tighten and you know it's delicate eye area, is that a wise decision? Anyway, let me finish reading, sorry. This eye mask is formulated with hyaluronic acid, purulin, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles in mascara. $93? Oh, sweet Georgia. Okay, $93. I was not expecting that. I was, you better work for $93. Let me see how much is this in here. It looks like it's, okay, that's where it's filled at, right here where my finger is. So 3/4 full, $93. Okay, I'm definitely putting this to the test. I will let you know if this is worth it. It's a squeeze tube, and I didn't smell anything. It's a white, comes out as a white product. I don't know if you see that little white dot right there. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. It's a mask. I'll definitely have to read the instructions. I'm just gonna spread this out really quick. We can see that Dose of Colors, the concealer, is definitely oxidizing darker than my skin tone. So I'll definitely have to use this with the other stuff that is considerably lighter than me. And then last is the Ace Beauté or Butte Draw It Lip Liner. From watching other people's unboxings, I know that these are 2 lip liners. One person's actually came completely out. So I'm actually going to be careful with that to double check. It does have a pencil sharpener at the bottom. I've seen those in other ones, not pencil sharpener, but lip sharpener. Okay, so this is Be Peachy. So it's right underneath the concealer. You can see that. That is very similar to what I have on now. And then the other one is called So Gorgeous. Ooh, it looks more like a red or a raspberry. I'm really good with my box, but let me read you what this is since I'm like excited about this already. Oh, FYI, pop-up is November the 10th. But let me just go back to this. Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner Duo. The Draw It Lip Liner Duo are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the lip liner. MSRP is $16. I like this, so give me a moment to add this box up with my tablet. This box was worth $211, but I paid $25 for it. So I definitely feel like I got my money's worth, especially considering that I know the Lexi brushes are a good bargain, and the Beauty Bakery is an up-and-coming minority-owned brand that it's on point. That's all I can say. It is on point. I have several products from Beauty Bakery. I'll be happy to do a brand-only tutorial. I even have their foundations. We'll talk about that. The only thing that kind of like, what? Was this $93. This better work, so I'll let you know about that. Let me know what you thought about my unboxing. Let me know what you got in your box, and do you really feel like this is worth it, and did I get a bang for my buck? Thank you again for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you guys again on the next video. Stay safe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.